Happy Valentine's Day, everybody. Busy Dad here, and I want to share with you a super simple recipe that will absolutely up your dessert game. You will not believe how easy this is, and you won't believe the compliments you'll get. We're going to make a hard shell topping for ice cream. And if you're looking at this ingredients list here and you're thinking, wow, that does look simple, you are absolutely right. Over here we've got unrefined expeller pressed coconut oil, and over here we've got chocolate chips. This is kind of a bittersweet chocolate. This recipe is very flexible. You can use milk chocolate, you can use dark chocolate. All we're going to do is mix these two things together. We'll heat them up, and then when you pour them over cold ice cream, they will solidify and make a delicious hard shell. Let me show you what that looks like. So on our burner here, we're just going to put a little baking cup. You could use a double boiler if you have that, because you want to avoid burning your chocolate. I don't have a double boiler setup that I like, so this will work okay too. Just make sure if you're going to put this directly on the heat that you be careful. Okay, so over here we've got our coconut oil, and you can see, like all coconut oils at room temperature, especially in the winter, this is solid. And that's what's actually going to make this dish work, because this is going to start to solidify when you put it on your ice cream. I think you could use any kind of hard at room temperature oil here. The problem is that most oils like that are also oils that maybe don't have the taste you want. So coconut oil is good. Unless you're really adventurous, I'm not sure I would use something like a bacon fat, but you can use bacon ice cream topping if that's what floats your boat. Now once that's started to melt, we're going to put in our chocolate chips. If you're wondering about proportions, you can kind of go half and half, or maybe 2/3 chocolate chips. But as I mentioned, this is pretty flexible. So we'll put a bunch in here. They're immediately starting to melt. Okay? But we're just going to kind of stir these around with the spoon until they are fully melted. Okay, so we've got our little bowl, Chunky Monkey. Let's see what this sauce looks like when we pour this on top. So you see it's a liquid? We'll just drizzle it on top and we'll see what happens. You can drizzle this, make crisscross patterns, or just pour it over. Let's see if this is solidified. Look at that. Can we see it's hard? We can pick it up, just take it off. Pretty amazing. See these things? They've solidified them. I can knock it. Look at that. It's so amazing. Well, I hope you like this. Enjoy your Valentine's Day. If it's not Valentine's Day when you're watching this, then enjoy your day. Enjoy your ice cream. Before you go, head down there, leave me a comment, like, subscribe, share it with somebody, do whatever you want to do to support me, and then join me next time when Busy Dad is cooking. Wow, it really is hard. Look at that. Oh no, that's a piece of banana. Mmm.